So I'm really excited to see what my opinion is. Whoa. Basically, I'm just gonna... Okay, whoa. Okay, everyone, is a... Wow. Basically, we're gonna go, like, So, welcome to today's video, everyone. And today, I'm going to be reading my first ever Colleen Hoover book. It Ends With Us. It seems like this author is either loved a lot or not really liked. So I'm really excited to see what my opinion is on Colleen Hoover's work. So basically for today, I'm going to be reading this book, telling you my opinion, stuff like that. But yeah, basically today's video is just going to be like a vlog type thing of reading. I will try to avoid spoilers, of course. Before we start this video, I have something to say. Trigger warnings for domestic violence in this book. I forgot to mention it, and I'm literally recording this like while I'm recording my outro. I will not be mentioning any of it or talking about it, but if you plan on reading it, then I thought I should inform you. Anyways, let's go. Okay, so when I was done reading, I decided to take a shower, as you can tell by my slightly damp hair. And now I'm going to go to bed. So, I'll see you in the morning. Okay, it is officially Wednesday. Does my voice sound funny? It kind of sounds funny in the morning. Anyways, let's start today off. I'm already dressed, already brushed my hair and everything. So let's now go eat breakfast and read. And then go to school, of course. Hello! Back from school once again. I'm gonna go read with my sister in her room, so let's go. Whee! Hello everyone, it is Thursday morning. Today I actually have band after school. For those of you who may not know, I play trumpet. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, yeah, I play trumpet. Look at my beautiful trumpet. And yeah, I'm excited, so let's go. Okay, so I'm on page 118 and I wanted to give my opinion so far. I really like the main characters. Like Lily and Ryle, they're good characters. And so far I find that the book is pretty easy to read actually. Like it's kind of like fast-paced, I guess. Maybe not fast-paced. I don't know, but it's really good. Okay, so it seems like I haven't been vlogging a lot, so that's an issue. But right now it is Friday. And I guess I just haven't had a lot of things to vlog about after school because school takes up a lot of my time. But yeah, I'm gonna go study. Okay, it is officially Friday. Okay, so I just wanted to do a quick little update. And also wanted to say that tomorrow I'm going to a play. So yeah, I really enjoyed the book so far, and I like Colleen Hoover's work. I guess. That play was amazing, but I'm extremely tired now. So I'm going to bed. Good night. I have finished the book. So, it was pretty good. I really like Colleen Hoover's writing style. It was like fast paced. But I have one issue. The book just didn't stick. I don't know how to explain it, but basically, like, it was more of like I could just put it down, pick it up whenever. It wasn't like a I need to get to the next chapter type thing. I don't know why, but I just didn't like, it didn't, I don't know. Like, I didn't feel the need to get to the next chapter or page. Like, it wasn't like, oh, I need to know. It was just like, it exists. I don't know. So, I would rate it a 4 out of 5. It is good, I would recommend it. But yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you'd like to check out my socials, they'll be linked in the description below. And while you're down there, maybe like and also subscribe. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day and see ya!